Hunan Tianyu Automotive Manufacturing Co., Limited, from Changsha, the famous city of Chu and Han. It's a medical ambulance company. Medical examination vehicle, mobile service vehicle, research and development of special vehicles such as medical command vehicles, production and sales of high-tech enterprises. Focusing on cultivating the medical special vehicle market for nearly 20 years. The company has extensive experience in production and operation, and a well-rounded service team. It can manufacture various types of ambulances in a lean manner. The company has been established since 1. The high-tech enterprise in Hunan Province. 3. A-level integrity management demonstration unit. 3. A-level contract honoring and trustworthy unit. 7-star certification after-sales services enterprise, and many other honors and qualifications. Always adhere to independent technological exploration and innovation. We have amassed 37 national invention patents, and many have reached the domestic advanced level. The core technology of ambulance production. Relying on the design concept of SENA, 5 steady and 1 fast, the company's independent research and development and production can overcome the mobile body. An ambulance to overcome complex road conditions. Super medical cabin. N1 ambulance products. Exported to more than 10 countries around the world. 3 consecutive years won the bidding for a number of Provincial Health Commission ambulance procurement projects. Realized a turnover of over 200 million yuan for 3 consecutive years. Ambulance industry national top 5. Steady forward. Upwind growth. Standing at a new starting point, an ambulance will insist high-end and globalization drives. To create a smooth and comfortable, the onboard medical cabin is the mission. Continue to deepen the field of medical ambulance. Expand the field of medical operation. Accelerate the continuous iterative upgrade of existing product lines and the in-depth development of new product lines to provide you with higher quality service. Help our country and the world medical industry transfer efficiency continue to improve. Strive to continue to be China's most trusted one-stop ambulance manufacturing and service provider.